Hello everyone, welcome to PHP e-commerce project tutorial for beginner. So this will be the last video of this series and we're going to see what we did and then we're going to fix some issues in the project. Okay, so here you can see we have a number here and we have 4 products, register and login option here. And if we go down, we have the search option here and we are showing those products from the database table. Then here we have the buy now button. If we click on buy now, it will add the product to the order table. So let me just show you the search. Let's say we have to search for makeup. If I just say here, makeup, then press enter, then you can see it will show us that product. And if we just keep it empty and click on search, it will show us all the product. And here a user needs to be logged in order to buy a product. So here we have the register option. Then we have the login option here. And here you can see currently we are not logged in, and if we now click on buy now button, it will take us to the login page. Let me just log in from here. Let's say test@gmail.com. Let's give the password. Click on login. There you can see currently we are logged in. And if we now click on, let's say we have to buy this watch. If we now click on buy now, it will take us to this order page, and here you can see we have the watch over here. So if we click on order, it will show us all the product we have in our order. And here you can see we have the logout option. If we click on logout, it will take us to the home page. So right now, let me just log in as an admin. So if I now click on login and give the admin's email address, then the admin password here, click on login, it will take us to the admin page. And here you can see it is showing us the total user, total product, total order, and total product delivered. Okay. So if we click on user, we'll be able to see all the user that is registered. Then here, from here, we are able to add any product. And if we click on new product, it will show us all the product, and we can delete the product, and we can also update the product as well. Then here we have the orders option, and in the orders, we are able to see all the orders that we got, and we can also change the order status from here. Here you can see this product is in progress. So if I now click on deliver, the status will change to delivered. For example, for this makeup, here is the makeup. If I now click on deliver, they can see the status changed to delivered. And if you go to our dashboard, they can see total delivered right now is 5. So those are all the things we need in this tutorial. So there is a few more things that we'd like to do or we'd like to fix. So let's just log out from here. And let's do one thing, that is when you click on home, it will take us to the home page, and when you click on product, it will show us all the product in a different page. So for it, let's go back to 4. And right now, let me just close those. So right now here we'll go to index.php. Then if we go down, there you can see we have products and contact. So here in the href, I'm going to say product.php. Let's set this. So right now, let's then create this product.php. So I'll just right click on econ project, then click on new file. And I'm going to say here product.php, Control S, then set. So what we are going to do is that in the product.php, we're going to show everything we have in the home page except this power image. Except this power image, we're going to show everything in the product page. So for it, let me just go to our index.php and let me just copy everything from here, Control A, Control C. Then I'm going to paste it over here. After that, let me just go at the top. And here you can see we have the cover image over here. Image plus my cover image. So I'm just going to remove this. Then save it. Then we're going to refresh here. And if we now click on products, it will take us to this page, and we only have product with this page. So right now what we want is that if we click on home, it will take us to the front page. So for it, we're going to say, let me just go at the top. Here, over here, you can see home, and our home is coming from the index.php. So here, I'm going to say index.php. It will be dot, and let's also say over here as well. In the index.php, we say index.php. And there you can see we have the logo, and in the logo, it says my deform, which is this off. So we are going to keep this inside the anchor tag. So let me just mention an anchor tag here. Anchor tag opening, then the anchor tag closing. Okay, let me just write it like this. So we are going to say here my econ, and this will be index.php. Then I can just directly copy this scope.product.php and let's just paste over here. Save. Then let me refresh. And if I click on econ, it will take us to this page. On this, if I click on product or this home, okay. So the color changed a little bit. We can change it, the color as well. Let me just go to our, okay, let me just like say here style. I'm going to say color is white. Then here as well, style, color is white. Save, refresh, and there you go. So everything is over here in our website. So this is all for this tutorial series, and I try to make this tutorial series as easy as possible for the beginner. But still, if you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.